All right, so I got asked a question about the new foot versus the old foot. Okay, this is the old coupling on the Acer ProFlex LP. As you can see, it's silver. The foot looks like this. The holes were added as drainage for when I go in the shower. So this is the coupling for that one. It says Osseo Integration on it, and that's that one. This one is by, I don't know what exactly the name is. I think it's Hermel. That could have been totally butchered, but it is black. It's kind of got a carbon fiber on it. It says Max Surgical on the side, and the foot is completely different. So it has a rounded edge, as this one is just kind of flat with the ball. In comparison, this is feels almost like a flat tire of a foot, whereas this one is just very dynamic, and you get a lot of fast walking with this one. This is the Acer XC. Screws a little different, a little tighter, not as big. This one's 5mm, this one's 4mm. People had asked, what do you do since now you have both, and if I decide to wear or switch them up. So I picked up one of these, which has obviously, all the Allen keys that you could possibly need. And this is how I still have a lot of new people who have not seen how it goes on. So this is the bottom. Okay, I do have a little issue going on right here in the front of my foot. But it does go on like this. I don't know if you guys can see that. It goes on like this, if I can get it on. Jesus. Okay. And then you literally just turn it. And that is all. Comes off the same way. This is a completely different size shoe shell. This is a 24R, whereas this one was way too big and was a 25R, so a completely different size. I did just order a new shell for this foot because I realized I really wanted to stand in the shower. It was like a big thing for me, and I did it the one day, and I realized that it's actually a lot easier for me to not have a foot on. I get in and out so much quicker, because otherwise I'm taking this one on, putting this one on, then taking this one off, putting this one on, drying this one. So it was kind of a little bit more of a headache than I even had presumed that it would be. So I am going to just keep using this foot on certain days. I don't know that I'll use it at the beach or stuff like that, but I'm not going to use it in the water as I intended to, because it was actually harder to do. So that is the difference. This is, has the Allen key for this, has the Allen key for this. It has all of them, which is a totally good investment. It was like $6. I do have ones that are a keychain too on my keys in case I forget them. I'm trying to think any other questions I've gotten. As far as the infection that I have going, let's see if I can show you what's happening here. Let's see. You can see that around here is very swollen. He has a little, so I am on Keflex, nothing, oh my God. It does have a smell though, which I would like to go away soon. But yeah, so it is being treated. It's nothing, oh my God. And yeah, so that's how the new foot goes on. That's the Acer XC. The other one is the Acer ProFlex LP. Totally different couplings. One is a 4mm, one is a 5mm. But yeah, so that's the story with those.